The Women's Education Programme focuses on women who are suffering from cycles of poverty, really, intergenerational cycles of poverty and socioeconomic disadvantage. They may have children, they may have left school early. So this project seeks to provide women in those circumstances with the opportunity to progress through education and into one of a number of different progression pathways. We know if a woman achieves sustainable, well-paid employment, she lifts not only herself but also her family out of poverty permanently.
Becoming a single mother, you lose your confidence because you're very it's very normal to be judged. I had this thing in me of just knowing how much I could do and just being my feet were just glued to the ground. But now they're not, I can do whatever I want, and I feel that my confidence is back. I know now I can do anything once I put my mind to it, and I know that Cosán is behind me, and anything that I say I want to do, they're going to point me in that direction. I just needed support to find my identity again and to be strong again and to fight for my future with my son.